I stopped by his house on the way home. He was not there.
Oh, you didn't leave the.
I was afraid to. I mean,
I
Yes.
asked him one day
You don't want
if
to run
you
into
had
those
been by
packages
there
and
with
knock
it.
that tree down that's already fallen.
I had, but he wasn't there.
Well,
I called him, and
Hey, Daddy.
he must have been at the other house or somewhere with family.
something's going on.
Yeah.
He called me yesterday. I think he and Debbie were going over to his work Christmas lunch,
Okay.
and she hadn't gotten there yet. So
During the day, I think to see
Said,
Ron
"Might
Christie.
just come over here."
They had been one time, but
Yeah.
that's been a while. I think it was too much for them to do it, like, with Caitlin
Too
and
much
Christian.
eating because they normally have Christmas dinner over at her mom and dad's.
Yeah, tomorrow
Elizabeth.
for lunch.
No, tonight.
Oh, and then tomorrow for lunch. Do they go anywhere or do they stay at their house?
No, they've asked
Yeah.
Russell and Linda
You got your
and
book?
myself over for just to see the kids
Good.
at 11:30 in the morning.
Okay.
I really don't know. I don't know if they really want it.
I'm gonna turn the light on.
They talk about it.
Place your paddleball. Paddleball?
Well, if we were in the store, he especially changed his mind.
Daniel, what's tomorrow? What's tomorrow?
Christmas!
Yes.
What's the-
Merry
what-
Christmas.
What's the greatest present?
I didn't hear you. What did you say?
Jesus!
Yeah.
He's the president of the world!
Yes.
Cindy, do you
He is. Be careful with that stick.
Yeah. Don't jump around
Yeah.
that stick. If you want to carry that stick, then don't